Hi everyone, Greg with KDK Sales and Equipment. One of the most common questions we get here at KDK when we have an upcoming auction is, how do I register to bid? I have a quick video here that will take you through the steps to becoming a registered bidder on all of our auctions through the AuctionTime platform. First things first, you'll need to go to kdkgroup.com and select the Auction tab in the top menu. Once on the auction information page, just scroll down a tad and select the red Register to Bid button. This will pop you over to the AuctionTime.com login screen where you'll want to select Register Here in red lettering below the different sign-in options. From here, you can enter all your personal information to the appropriate boxes, including, but especially, a valid email address for bidding updates and notifications. You'll also be asked for a phone number for account verification and a mailing address. If you look to the bottom of the screen, there's also a checkbox option for you to opt into weekly email notifications from AuctionTime. Once all of your personal information is entered, you can go ahead and click Continue at the bottom of the screen. Once submitted, your account will be reviewed by the AuctionTime team, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. Be sure to check your email frequently for the verification that your account is active. After receiving your account activation email, you can click on the link to take you back to AuctionTime. Locate and select My Account in the far top right corner, then select Update My Registration. Now you will be able to enter in your credit card information. Credit card info is for verification purposes only, and it will not be charged to pay for your auction items. This will be reviewed and you'll be set to bid. It's important that you register to bid for an auction a few days before the auction opens, so there are no delays and you have reassurance that your account is verified. We sure hope this helped. We look forward to sharing our offering with you soon. Check out all our auctions at kdkgroup.com. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the AuctionTime helpline that will be displayed at the top of the screen.